Hassle-free cooking experience, powered by 120 volts, 1000 watts. This cooktop uses infrared technology, an advanced system for smooth-top electric ranges that heats up food quickly and evenly. Compatible with all cookware, this countertop burner works well with virtually all types of cookware. However, for best results, use flat cookware as close to the size of the burner as possible, 7 in diameter. Classy and portable, the stainless steel housing and sleek crystallite ceramic glass top make this burner look great on any countertop. Plus it is slim and light, 2.4 pounds, making it perfect for small studios, kitchenettes and RVs. Easy to clean, cleaning the crystallite glass and the stainless steel housing is fast and simple, it won't take you more than a minute. Simply wipe the cooktop with a clean, damp cloth. US-based customer service lets you buy with confidence. Ovente warranties that the product shall be free from defects in material and workmanship under normal use and conditions, for 1 year from the original purchase date. Everything seems to be instant in this modern-day era, and we disdain the thought of having to wait a couple of minutes before we get what we want. We want same-day delivery from merchants. We want to stream movies and TV series the moment they're out. We want our download speeds faster. Top reviews from the United States. Ceramic burners distribute heat more evenly than the coil version. This little stove helped convert our office/apartment into more of a home. It's lightweight, yet not so easy to inadvertently bump around from where we set it up. I'd estimate that the Ovente infrared cooker has between 80–90% of the output of a full-size range, at maximum setting. Just enough to keep me out of trouble if I leave a burner on. Control knobs are intuitive and easy to set. 5 is maximum heat, for boiling a kettle, etc. 3 is ideal for most general cooking, including frying eggs or warming up can of soup. 2-to-1 setting is good for slow cooking or simmering. Ovente construction gets a 4 out of 5 for sturdiness, and as others have mentioned in the reviews, a slight relocation of the control knobs might help when a utensil on the right-hand burner overhangs the controls. Easy to clean up after, and I also recommend it for stove topping out on deck, or in those college dorm rooms where light cooking is permitted, closer to an operating window.